Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40 NxtPaper, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. Now to get started, you want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time, which will bring up boot options, and from here hold power off. This will then bring up a window, reboot to safe mode, confirm it by selecting OK. And while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly go into what we will need, or what this will actually do. So when you put your device into safe mode, the applications that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. That is so you can troubleshoot your device. Now, most of the applications that come pre-installed with this device will function, just the ones that you have installed yourself will not. But with that being said, there is also probably going to be a couple applications from the device itself, manufacturer, that will not run. I guess we'll see in a second. Now, once the device boots up, there will either the applications that won't run will disappear completely, or they will be semi-transparent, and if you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up letting you know that you can't open them up in this mode. It's obviously strictly designed for troubleshooting. It's not really a mode that you will be using on a day-to-day basis, because it does turn off a bunch of different applications and functions of the device. Now finally the device is back on, and you can see we do have the marking right here, safe mode, and once it actually loads the application, there we go. So in here it actually grays them out. So you can see assistant for some reason is one of them, and if you try to open it up, it gives you the app isn't available. Typically you'd have a message that downloaded apps can't run in safe mode, but I guess this basically gives you the message as well in a simpler way. Anyway, once you're done troubleshooting your phone and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you would need to do is hold power button and volume up again, and then select restart. The device would boot back up again after the several minutes that it takes it, and it will automatically go back to normal mode. Now, I'm not going to subject you to waiting another 5 minutes for this device to boot, so that's what I'm going to finish up at. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.